Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP OfficeJet 8015. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Open up the cover, then lift up the cover, then the ink holder will move to position itself to the center. This printer is using ink 912 or 912 extra large. These are the ink cartridges. So this is cyan, the blue label. Then remove this, then pull off the vent, then you go in, push it down. This goes to cyan. And the next is black. Pull off the air vent, then take the black, go in, push it down, and it's in. Do the same thing to the yellow. Pull the air vent, then go into the yellow. The yellow is in. The last but not the least is magenta. Pull off the air vent, then you go to the red, magenta. So make sure they are all in. Then the next thing to do, you need to close the door. Checking the printer, please wait. Printer maintenance in progress. Genuine HP ink cartridges installed. Then you select OK. If you want to replace the ink, open this cover, then lift up the cover. The ink holder will move from the right side of the corner of the printer and position on the center for you to replace the ink. And if you want to replace the ink, just push this inside for you to remove any particular ink you want to put it back. This is black, followed by yellow, followed by cyan. The last but not the least, magenta. And make sure you close the cover. It will show you checking the printer, and it will show you the screen. So this is how to install the ink and also replace the ink. Thank you.